Good morning dear students. I welcome you all to e-learning program Pakistan International School Qatar. It is English language lesson for class 7. Today, the topic of our lesson is adverb and its types. We have to use a PowerPoint presentation and video along with a worksheet. The same would be the procedure as per previous practice. We are going to start our lesson with the learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to define adverb and all its types, identify them all in different sentences, use them correctly. First we are going to define adverb. An adverb is a word which describes, or tells more about, the verbs in a sentence. For example, Kareem runs fast. Runs how? Runs fast. Here fast is adverb. Ashore hurt her ankle yesterday. Hurt when? Hurt yesterday. Here yesterday is adverb. Salim looked for his book everywhere. Searched where? Everywhere. He often speaks the truth. Speaks how often? Often. Now we are going to discuss types of adverbs. Adverb and its types. 1. Adverbs of manner. 2. Adverbs of time. 3. Adverbs of place. 4. Adverbs of frequency. 5. Adverbs of degree. The first type is adverb of manner. An adverb of manner shows the manner, or the way, in which the action takes place. An adverb of manner answers the question, which begins with the interrogative word, how? For example, he speaks politely. Speaks how? Politely. She writes carelessly. Writes how? Carelessly. The second type is adverb of time. The adverbs of time show when does or did the action take place. The adverbs of time answer the questions which begin with the word when. For example, we get up early in the morning. Get up when? Early in the morning. The sick rhinoceros died yesterday. Died when? Yesterday. The third type is adverb of place. The adverbs of place show where does or did the action take place. The adverbs of place answer the questions which begin with word where. For example, Shahaz is sitting there. Where is Shahaz sitting? The answer is, there. Shahaz looked for his lost book everywhere. Where did Shahaz look for his lost book? The answer is everywhere. The fourth type is adverb of frequency. The adverbs of frequency show how often an action is performed. The most commonly used adverbs of frequency are always, usually, normally, generally, often, frequently, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely. The adverbs of frequency answer the question which begins with, how often? For example, we seldom go to the zoo. How often do we go to the zoo? The answer is, seldom. Seldom is an adverb of frequency. The postman delivers the post daily. How often does he deliver post? Daily. The fifth type is the adverbs of degree. The adverbs of degree show how much or to what extent is the action performed. The most commonly used adverbs of degree are nearly, perfectly, completely, barely, somewhat, quite, very, least, enough, etc. The adverbs of degree answer the question which begins with how much, or to what extent. For examples, he has almost recovered from the injury. How much or to what extent has he recovered? Here almost is the adverb of frequency. The children fully enjoyed the ride. How much did the children enjoy the ride? The answer is, fully. A worksheet will be given to you, related to adverb and its types. Dear students, I hope that you would have got a clear idea, and you would be able to define all types of adverb and also identify these types of adverbs in different sentences. This is enough for today. Goodbye.